when we talk about the other cycles, like the Kshetra Paravartan. So this Jeev ideally will be, taking birth at every single Pradesh of Akash, which means every single region or every single space which exists in the Lokakash. So if you were to say, I'm Indian, only in this life. Next life, you can be Pakistani, you can be Nepali, you can be American. You can you can take birth in some other altogether different Lake Chikhand, like a total extraterrestrial life that you would call beyond the world that you know, because there is Dhaidweep, 2.5 islands. You can be born anywhere if it is a human form. You can be born in an animal form, anywhere at all, in the entire Lokakash. You can be born in any Devgati or Naragati. So I have taken as many lives at every single space being the center of my space. And I have completed the entire cycle of gradually moving from the center of the lok till the last end of the lok and back. Can you imagine the number of lives it would take? So if I, take birth in the center of the lok and then I take birth straight in Narak, that's not counted. Sequentially, when you are covering each space of this Lokakash, it is called one Kshetra Paravartan, a cycle of the space. What had happened in the Dravya Paravartan? In Dravya Paravartan, from the perspective of the Pudgal, I told you, everything repeats. From the perspective of the Jeev, if you were to understand, I have a body right now. You have a body right now. The moment in future, when you are reborn as a Bijal shade, the way she looks, even if she has a mole on her forehead, the same place, same size, same Pudgal Parmanu coming in the same color, exactly same, like a total duplicate of what you are. Same Pudgal Parmanu coming here. That is one Dravya Paravartan. The example which is given in Shastra is that you have a banyan tree, which is made of so many Pudgal Parmanu, so many atoms, which have turned into molecules in a certain shape, size, color, form. You burn this banyan tree. And the ashes, you just throw away in a flowing river. Then the same atoms with which that tree was made come back to make the same tree with the same size, form, color, type, everything 100% same. So there are so many times when the tree will be made exactly the same, but different set of atoms will be used, and that is not counted as one Dravya Paravartan. So we are saying that the Jeev, if associated with the Pudgal, and if completes one entire cycle of the Pudgal Paravartan or the Dravya Paravartan, will be reborn exactly as the same body type with the same Pudgal atoms. So doesn't this go to prove that everything is in repeat mode in the Pudgal world? So you don't have to be surprised. Why is this accident happening? Because it has happened innumerable times in the past, because this is the way it works. Every year when you have winters, you have snow. Every year when you have summer, it's the same. Don't you see large cycles repeating while the time span can be different? Things are exactly the same. History repeats itself. Literally. Literally, it does repeat itself. The decline of the religion happening in the 5th Kal. What's happening in the 6th Kal? There's a pralay which will happen. You know what is a pralay? Are you aware of that? The doomsday that they talk about. Everything will be perished. It will actually happen. It happens every time. So however large or small the cycles may differ, certain things may have a cycle of 1 year, certain things may have a cycle of 100 years, certain things may have a cycle of 1,000 years, but everything works in a repeat. as far as the Pudgal is concerned. As far as the Jeev is concerned, if you are going to live here in this sansar, then you will also continue with the Pudgal, go with the flow like the flow in the river, and be in that repeat mode. And that will be called one Dravya Paravartan. But because Jeev is not Pudgal, hence the Jeev is born at different places. Hence, I even have a Kshetra Paravartan, whereby I will take birth at different places. And when I complete the entire cycle of being born in different places, one Kshetra Paravartan will complete. And one Kshetra Paravartan is much, much longer than one Dravya Paravartan.